Today I will guide you how to easily download Snapchat Spotlight videos. I will provide you a complete tutorial. Make sure to follow till the end. So, first thing first, open the Snapchat application. When you reach on this camera section, at the bottom of the screen you can see the Spotlight icon. At the bottom right corner, simply tap on Spotlight and you will be taken to this Spotlight page of Snapchat. You can simply scroll down and find any video of your choice that you want to download. Once you have selected, let's tap on these three dots which is at the bottom right corner. So let me remind you that there is no invalid way to download Snapchat Spotlight videos. So here you need to tap on copy link and copy the link of this video. Once the link has been copied, if you have any Snapchat videos downloader, you can easily download it if you don't have as well, and copy this link and easily download Snapchat Spotlight videos. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then hit the like button, subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel. Thanks for watching.